kita tuodin deton ma.
Nagawa na sa pool. Hold hands kay Daddy. I have maraming bit-bit. Minutes.
You like me now?
You like to swim now?
Yeah.
You have
So you have to
sipon.
follow instructions, Ching, ha?
Jumping jacks tayo ha. Ready? Okay. Kids, okay, follow to coach. Wait muna. Okay, by the way.
Ani, tumabi ka dyan.
Kids, and by the way, I'm Coach Meg and Coach Mark and Coach Clark. Okay? Welcome to Bert Tusada Swimming School. I hope you enjoy your lesson to us. Who's no first time to swimmer? First time. You all first time? Second time. Okay, good job. This time we do warm up first before we going down. Why? We need to go warm up. What's the purpose? What's your name, Kuya? Kyle. What's the purpose we do warm up? Relax our body that we avoid injuries first. Okay? Okay, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Right hand forward.
Right
Raise
arm
your right
up.
hand. Forward.
Right.
Go. 1,
Like this,
Two.
right?
3,
4, 5, 6, 6 circles, 7,
8, 9,
9,
10.
10.
Backward. Go.
Roll backward. Go
1,
backward like this.
2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Left hand forward.
forward, left,
Go. 1,
like this, 2,
3,
ready,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6, 7,
7,
like this,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Backward. Go.
Backward,
1,
rotate,
2,
3,
4, 5,
6,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
Both
Both
arms
up.
forward. Go.
Forward, go.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Backward. Go.
Rotate.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
9,
8, 9,
10.
10.
Jog and play. Ready.
Jog and play.
Go. 1, 2,
Ma'am, nagano na po mag-start na po
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. So, take a shower na muna. Start na tayo.
No, wait po na.
Wait na muna.
Wait.
Rest pa na muna.
Okay. Okay. Wait muna. This time we don't jump, you need to jump, jump higher. Okay, go, jump for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, lunges, bend your knees on the front. Go 1, 2, yan, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Then shake. Okay. And good job. This
Swing in,
time,
shake.
Before we do shower, we have a rules first. Okay? We have 5 rules. In a classroom, you have rules, diba? Sa classroom, may rules sa'yo, wala. We have, okay? In our school, as in school, we have rules. Okay? Why we need to do
Yes, go na sa shower, anak ko. Basa na your body.
Are you ready, Ching? Ready ka na? Did you listen to the instruction?
Yeah.
Okay.
What if you see someone drowning? What are you gonna say?
Oh.
Very good. Go for help.
Pili ka na sa'yo. Yung galing nga doon.
Down lang muna, anak ko, here.
Oh, mamaya pa-upay mo muna. Dahil sa gutter. Sit down yung gutter.
Sit down.
Dito mo konti dito, Mark. Mababaw dyan, Mark. Yan, konti mo konti.
Yeah.
Sit down, sit down.
Sit down on the top. Sa top mo pa doon yun, oh, nakaupo sa baba, oh.
Chain, hold it properly, please.
Ano alam nyo? Show nyo kung paano mag-kick. Okay, this time, look at Coach Mark. Okay. He teach you how to do kick, okay?
'Ching, kick your feet, 'Ching.
Good job. Okay, atay na natin. Okay? Ilan ba? Stand up. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14. Sige, yan. Galing mo sa'yo. Stand up. Yan.
Ching, stand up, Ching, stand up. Wait lang.
Okay. Tayo. Ay, lusit lang ko lang dyan.
Ses,
Dahil sa'yo, Clark.
stand up lang.
Okay. Baka na dyan yung sa'yo.
Yung kay Mark mo.
Right, dito ka, right.
Ses.
May tubig yung loob niya? Wala naman.
So, sa'yo si ano? Ito ko din na yung isa.
Bakit nagsalita?
How old are you? Giant? 4? Seska? 4 as well? 3. You? 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5.
So, are you all afraid of going on the water ba? Are you afraid? No? Well, are you afraid? No. Jared, are you afraid? No. Okay. So, we're here to remove your fear out of the water by learning, okay? So, listen to Coach Dark so that excited says ka. Oh, stand there muna, stand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, jump. Wow! Good job.
Very good.
Your turn,
Chingin, no, Ching, stay, go back.
beside Jared. I want you to jump as well, ah. One. Oh, why didn't you get air? You get air first, stop it on your chest, then go down, okay? Seska, do you know how to hold your breath? Can you see? Can I see? Ready? Get air, head up. Wow. Naya, ay, come here. Hold your breath, ha? 3 seconds lang tayo. Seska, ha? 1, 2, 3, get air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaya pala ng 5 seconds ni Sensei. Naya, it's your turn.
Go back there, Ching. Go back. Oops, 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 oops. Oops.
Why you there? Stay lang there.
Sit lang, Ching. Sit.
Stay ka lang dyan, ha? Naya, it's your turn, ha? Oh, don't hug me like that. I'm gonna, ano. Okay, like that na, ha? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Good job. Okay, don't be afraid.
Ching in. Stay lang, Ching.
Where's your, ano? That. Okay, how do we like that, okay? Oh. But before that, okay. Oh, shoot ka. Sabi sa sarap. Stand up ka lang muna. So, I want you to do,
Listen, Jared, listen.
Then your feet should be like this, You look at the back. Look like this. Like this. Okay? Then hold your breath for 5 seconds, okay? Ready? Get there. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Wow.
Hold your breath, Jared, ha?
Jared.
Jared,
Jared and Naya, watch Seska. Okay, do you remember
Jared.
Seska?
Jared.
Jared. You watch, ha?
Watch
Ready, Seska?
Seska.
Ready, get there, heads down. 1, 2,
Like that,
4,
like that.
5.
Hindi natatakot na galing.
Wala ko,
Jared,
hindi mo takbo talaga.
Head down, head down. Yung mga ganong bata eh.
You get air. Like that, okay? Seska, it's your turn muna. Do you know how to do it now? You bend your knees like this. Then hug it tightly. Like that, okay?
Ching, hug yung, mo.
You're gonna hug it like
your
this, okay? But tightly ha, don't let go.
Oh,
Okay?
like that.
Okay,
Sige nga.
stand up muna.
Ganyan.
Ready, get there, head down. Bend your knees. Bend your knees muna, bend your knees. Like this. Bend your knees like this. Sit ka muna dyan, sit ka muna dyan. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. Like this, oh. Ganito ka sa Seska. Sit there. Bend your knees like this. Yan, then hug them like this. Bend your knees muna, bend your knees. Bend your knees. Then hug. Hug your knees, hug your knees. Sit there mo.
Hani, dito ka.
Hug them tight.
Diyan
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, Good. Fast. 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, ay go to the washroom.
Ako bata pala dito.
Wait lang, Sesta. Kevin.
You remember the bubbles?
You know how to do bubbles?
Why? Love you po. Swimming ka muna sandali.
Swimming muna while you're ano. Bubbles ka sa ilalim.
Galing nun ah.
Ano yung bubbles mo?
Hindi, nagbabasa siya kanina.
Wala siyang fear talaga. Ops, careful, baka tumama ka.
Galing ah.
Kasi nakikita yung ilalim ko kay
Can you see the ano, the ilalim?
Yeah, I can see the
First up, Raya. Sit ka muna dyan. Naya.
mo yan, galing eh. Galing na yun.
Babas tayo all together, ha? Babas one. Walang babos. Babas two. Babos. Where are you going? Go to the on the left. Babas three. Babas four.
Galing eh. Galing mo ito.
Five.
Sini-coach dito sa mga baby.
Eight. Nine. That's not what you're doing.
Ses, your kickboard.
Kickboard mo, Ching.
Get
Ayaw
it.
na, Ching, oh. Get mo yung ano mo, Ching.
No, not you.
Not you, Ching.
Akin na, akin na.
Ikaw mo na swimming. Ayan, very good.
Make your arms.
Go, kick your feet, Ching. Grabe, kala ka rin Ching mo. Kaya mo ba
Paano ko
yun?
yan? Sobrang marunong naman ako.
Ay, Chingy, not there. Dito lang sa ano lang.
Ses, wag kang makulit.
Galing nga kayo.
Follow instructions, please.
Ano ka sa kanila? O, dito ka sa kanila. Tapos, load ka. Dito na lang kasi na-explain dito. Load ka lang dapat. Go up, then make ka. Load ka.
Ba't pala itong galit?
Kapag kasi video mo, duration, yung clip by clip, memories yun eh.
And go, spike. Kick. And
Pasanay siya mag-kick eh.
go. Kasi yan na. Okay, good. Bubbles. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sino pa next?
Go practice your swimming. Glub-glub ka sa ano, paddle your feet. Go, Ching, paddle your feet, swimming, tas paddle your feet. Bilis, lubog ka. Tas paddle your feet po. Sige na. Not there, not there.
Bubbles. Ready? Next. Oh, next. Oh, dito na. Ready? Ito bago pa lang.
Chingin. Go, swimming ka straight there hanggang dun sa ano, sa tree. Go. Paddle your feet, paddle. You have to paddle your feet, Ching.
Load mo, Neil. Neil. Yan, double ka dyan.
Aras dito ka, tas paddle your feet. Go. Paddle your feet, Ching. O, go sa tree, tas paddle your feet. Go.
Naya. Get your kickboard, Naya. Kickboard. Without togas tayo, ha?
Practice mo yung swimming mo, Ching. Paddle your feet po. Paddle your feet, paddle. Sa ilalim.
Paddle your feet, anak. Left and right.
Ching, you have to paddle your feet. You have to practice. Mabilis, Ching.
Go, fast. Left and right.
Yan.
You swim ng ganyan. Left and right paddle. Go. Paddle, go.
Paddle your feet, Ching. Go. Chingin.
Paddle, anak. Paddle.
Kick. Good job.
Give me your kickboard.
Swimming nga tayo sa next week na.
Sis!
Para ma-practice natin. Ching!
Use your feet if you have a feet. Nice. Use your feet.
Ay, don't remove it like that, Ching.
Saan magulo? Sabay. Karet. Lakas siya. Go. Tapos. Oh, wait lang.
Dapat naman talaga eh. O ngayon, ano mo na. Just your feet. Just your feet lang. Go. Ito na pa si Cuts Jenny. Cuts. Siya si Cuts Jenny. Floating, Ching, floating. Paano floating? Go floating. Ay! Not too far, Ching. Dito na sa ano, Ching. Dito ka na. Hindi. Para saktan siya. Bakit kaya sobrang ano? Ching, you should learn how to paddle kasi that will make you move po. Princess Pudo ba? Yan. Sabi nga nito, malaking tulong.
Swim pa lang ang swim pa lang gagawin mo.
Here, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bubbles. Up. Good job. Agad. Start more. Wala ka naya ka. Good job, guys. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and backward. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay. 8, 9, 10. Backward. 1, 2, 3. Louder. I cannot hear you. 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, bubbles 3, 4.
Go, Scarlett. Go, Jay. Go. Relax. Yeah.
Yan.
Right. Okay, dyan. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left hand, forward, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ching.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backward, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125
Five,
Uy, ang galing ko. 1, 2, wait lang. Ready, get there, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bubbles. Last, don't forget to Ready, get there, head down. Get there, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bubbles. Just keep fast, keep fast. Ready, get there, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't stop kicking, no? Okay.
Sige, practice your paddle. Practice your paddle po. Sige na. Yan, very good. Paddle, kick your paddle ka, paddle.
Okay. This time, tanggalin yung pizza. Tanggalin. Okay? Tanggalin. Okay.
You have to practice your paddle. Sige na. Ay, not there, Ching. Malalim din, Ching. Ching. Ching, stop, please. Ching in. Just stay there lang po kasi dumalalim na doon.
Pagdating doon, stop muna. Okay. Dito papunta doon. Style. Okay? You know how to do freestyle na, di ba?
Don't go too far, Ching. Kasi
Okay. Ready? Pagdating muna.
more. You have to practice pa.
Ready? Okay? Style muna. Sa pagka. 7. 8. There, go. 9. 10. Paddle, yan. Paddle. Jared, dos. Okay, good.
Paddle, ah. Keep your head down para di ka mahirapan. 1, 2, 3, jump. Wala ko lang sunod. Paddle, paddle. Kanina, kanina.
Paddle your feet, sabi ni coach. Sabi ni teacher, Ching, you have to paddle your feet. Paddle your feet. No, later. You have to practice your paddle po muna. Sige na, swim then jump then paddle your feet. There, go. Paddle.
Ilang fish na yan? How many fish na dito?
These 3 agents versus the one that was in the other tab under users for the most action. Are the agents that actually execute or was able to like run the amplified action to the users. However, for the other tab under the users,
Ready?
Enjoy na enjoy siya. Sigaw pa siya.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Kalokohan na naman ito. Huwag nang ganyan. Nakita mo?
Picturean mo nga. Picturean mo nga kasama sa akin. Videoan mo wala.
Yung floating naman.
Sit lang. Don't stop eating. Yan. Yeah. Wow. Ito. Sit lang, oh. Head up. Yan, galing ah. Head up lang, head up. Wow. Head up lang, head up. Yan, galing ah. Kick, kick, kick.
8th day in swimming lesson. Alin? Yang ganyan, gusto mo? You don't need that naman na. Okay. Oh, patingin ako sisid mo. Sisid with kick. Diyan lang, ah. Go na kay coach, anak ko.
Eat the noodles. Yan. Wow. Come here. Come here. Lie down tayo, lie down.
Sis.
Wow. Wow.
Listen muna kay coach po.
Wow. Come here. We're gonna lie down.
Right. 8, 9, 10. Backward. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Okay. Both arms up. Forward. Go. 1, 2,
Forward.
3, like that. 4, 5, 6, good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Backward. Oh, no, this one, like that. This one. Donut. This is someone drowning. This is the wrong way. Listen up. As they sit down, donut again. Oh, like this. This is the wrong way out. What happened to the victim if you do like this? Swimming. Why? Are you not to avoid drowning? Okay, good job. Okay. Can we do warm up first? Forward. Easy up, put down. Forward for 8 counts. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, right arm. Wait. Wait lang.
Everybody, ready? Jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, jump faster. 5, 6, 7.
Ses! Ses ka!
Wait.
Sis, ayos na! Ay, wala na. Naiwan ka na dyan.
Jessica, Gabe, come here. Wow. Let's go. Gabe, come here, faster. Come on. Sia. Wait lang, Dana. Go, go. Sia, go. Go na. Kick. Kick, Jessica. Dana. Adon, oh. Kick. Sia. Arm straight, Gabe. Gabe, arm straight. Go na. Follow me, and move your hands, ha? When I say ball. Go. Paddle, 1, 2, 3, bubble. Turn, go, jump. Paddle and kick, Stop it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bubbles. Up. Ready, get there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bubbles. Up. Ito, nakakasin na ba? Gia, we're taking for Gia. 7, go. Get there down, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, doubles, up. Good job. Go, Darius. You can take it for sure. Nana kami. 4, 5, 6, get here. Get there. Ready, dito, Clark. Dali mo dito kasi dito. Alam mo, Clark. Diyan ka lang, Christian. Christian, diyan ka lang. Si Clark ka ano. Let's go. Lang, faster. Go.
Video kita. Careful your head there, oh, sa back. Oh, go na! Hindi pwede mainit, di mo makikita din. Ay ka na.
Your hands wet? Your hands wet? Wait lang, nasa yung dog pad?
Ses, harap ito.
Paddle and kick. Uy! Pedal. Go! Lubog. Floating naman. Floating pedal. Huwag ka magpanik, di ba sabi huwag magpanik? One more, patingin. Okay, go. Tagal ah.